Vicki giving a shout out from Houston, Texas. I hope everyone's having a great, awesome day today. Welcome to day 12 of my March Declutter Challenge. If you haven't already joined that challenge, it's not too late. Basically, what we've been doing is for day 1, we get rid of 1 item. Day 2, we get rid of 2 items. Day 3, 3 items, and so forth, so on. It doesn't necessarily have to be in sequential order of the days, but as long as you're telling me you get rid of 1 item, 2 items, 3 items, you can join the competition at any time. I am going to give a $25 Amazon gift card to the person that's able to follow the challenge and get rid of the most items during this 31 days. So today, I knew that I had some leftover storage containers that I kept in the garage. So up till about 2 years ago, I kind of just used a hodgepodge of whatever I can find as far as storage containers, but I've kind of gotten a little bit more uniform in what I get, and I'm going to share that in some of my other videos. But I thought, well, I'm going to just go see how many items I have out there. And I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 2 there, 12. These are items that I'm probably not going to use because they don't match what I currently have, and I am trying to be, like I said, a little bit more uniform. But this took me all of 2 minutes because I knew it was out there. I didn't know how many items I have. I thought I'm going to go check it, and sure enough, I had 12 for today's challenge. Again, this is supposed to be a quick and easy declutter challenge. I'm not making it hard. Like, some people are more, more focused, more intense, and they take a whole day of cleaning a whole room, or, they take a 6-week challenge or a 2-month challenge. I just want to show us how quick and easy that we can declutter our house of items that we don't need or we don't even use. So hopefully this is giving you some little inspiration to declutter your house. As always, guys, please stay safe and stay healthy. Until next time.